In this video, we'll show you how to enable USB debugging on a Xiaomi Redmi phone. First, open Settings on your device. Next, select About Phone from the menu. Tap MIUI version 7 to 10 times until you see a message confirming that developer options have been enabled. Now, go back to the previous page and look for additional settings. Within Additional Settings, find and open Developer Options. Finally, toggle on USB debugging to enable it. Anytime, you can disable the developer mode by toggle off this option. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.